How's it going, everyone? You guys want to hear about a bigger cap stock that we all know about? That is going to be Tesla. All right. I've been looking at this one for some time, and then I've always said we needed a pullback. This thing has had a monster run. This thing is up trading. It's in an uptrend on the weekly chart. You can see that the EMA 50 is at the bottom. The monthly chart, it is literally starting to uptrend. We started uptrending back in 830. Actually, more than that. This thing's been on a tear here. But I like the weekly chart the most. It gives us really valuable signals. Now, I always told people we need to look at the daily EMA 50 and combine it with the weekly EMA 20. You can see on the daily chart we pierce through this EMA 50, and that's totally fine. That is absolutely totally fine, because if you look at the bigger time frame, these usually match together. We had to choose the better entry point. The weekly EMA 20 is kind of like the daily EMA 50, and you can get really good results here. Look at this to a T here. This is what algos love. Right in here, the EMA 10, we bounced perfectly, right? We made some monster returns right in here. 17% to a T on a big cap stock in a week is really freaking good, okay? We made some really good areas, and a lot of people kept, I'm bullish on Tesla, don't get me wrong, but I do think we need to break through some levels and give us new bulls some new buying power, right? We can't just keep staying up on this EMA 10. We hit it too many times. And when I say EMAs are like support resistance, we're going to come to the next level. I think this EMA 20 is going to be a nice base area. We got a pretty big drop to the EMA 50 if we break through that. 17%, pretty big, right? But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till that EMA 20 gets hit. It's not there yet. It's at 363. What I like to do is I like to get just above it a little bit. So if it's at 350, it's at 352.91, so I'll probably buy it, low 353, okay? That way I get into it, because a lot of times these will get really close to it. It might not actually touch, even though it does say it touched. And what happens is when price moves up, EMAs move up with it. So that's what's happening right in here. But I really like this stock. How can you not like Tesla? It's looking very bullish in my opinion for new people to get in. We also had this. We have big support right in here. You can see right in here, big support. We got, we actually have some support right here we could hit, but I'm going to wait for the EMA 20. That I've had the best success doing that. Weekly EMA 20, really good success. If it drops a little lower from here, no big deal. You got a bigger cap stock. You can do covered calls, and you can get, you can just keep decreasing your average. Now, if you guys have bigger capital and you want to know a safer route, I always tell you guys this. Go to the option chain, hit single option, and hit puts. If you got bigger capital, you could do this and be like, you know what? I like this now. I know that if we get under three, if we get near 352, that's a big support area. You can look here and be like, you know what? I can get under 352. Let me go to, let's say 14 February. Let's say I don't think it's going to get under 352. I can look at this and be like, look at the massive premium we get right now at 350. 4.20 premium. So price would have to drop $14 by 14 February, which is possible. That's 7 days from now. And if it goes under 350, then you have to buy it at 350. But you're getting a $14 discount while Tesla's at 364 right now, okay? So if you click on this, and you got to understand there's a little trick to this too. You're actually getting it, when you get it at $4 a premium, you're actually getting it $4 cheaper than the 350 because you're collecting the premium automatic. So let's just say, but like I said though, it's expensive. Yet every contract's 100 shares. You're looking at $35,000 almost for one contract, but you instantly get $420 in premium. You instantly get that $420 in 7 days. That's automatically yours, and I think that's a really nice strike to get. But if you don't have that much, I get that. This is a bigger cap stock. A lot of people have been saying you do a lot of small caps. Give me something that I like. I got some big boy money. Give me something that I like that I can hold long term. Well, this is where you buy things long term if you really wanted to. EMA 20, and then you can buy at some of the EMA 50. I always say take the gains when they bounce, because it'd be pretty sucky if you had it here and you didn't take that 20%. It'd be pretty sucky, right? Nothing like showing 20% on your count value, and now you're negative. But I'm looking at this chart all throughout here. You can see, we haven't had a trend like this where a weekly touched this upper Keltner channel. We've never had that in quite some time. And when it does do that, look at this. Here's a good example of where my system respects. We buy, the 10 makes a massive pump, and it might not show a lot, but that's 20% in 1 week. And then we go to the 20. Why are these areas buying power? Is because this is where areas where the algos look to go into. 32%. Don't make trading, hard. This is literally what works. And if it comes back to the 20, you don't play it again. You play it one time. If it comes back, like I said, the more times you test support and resistance, the more you can break through it. Well, guess what? We break through, come to the EMA 50, and we make a nice bounce of 20%. It comes back, we don't play it again, and bam, you take your gains, you get in and get out. This is a bigger cap stock where, if you really wanted to, you could hold it for a while, because as you can see, in time, it's just been going up and up. It has some crazy swings, but in time, it's been going up. So, the all-time high, we did break out. Now we're at a 488.54. Definitely watch this for an EMA 20 grab here. You can sell puts right now if you want. You can get under that. My thing is, I would probably just wait till price gets there, because if you do wait till the price gets there, not only if you sell puts, you can go farther out. You can get even more premium if you wanted to get like 347. But this is looking pretty good, guys. I really like this. I think this is, you can get really good bounces. I mean, 10% is very doable at this level. Okay, we've been seeing massive pumps from here, but this is my idea for a bigger cap stock. Let's watch this coming into next week, see what it does, and I'll let you guys know. I'll alert this in the Discord. I'll let you guys know. If you guys do want to join the Discord, this is the time to do it. I'm going to give you guys a sick discount, a thing where you guys can make a lot of money using a strategy that is very beginner friendly, that anyone could do. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. When you click that, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. And all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, and you'll get access to subscribe for my promotional offer of only $12 a month, and you get swing trades and day trades. You thought my swing trading strategy is pretty good, very simple. My day trading strategy is a little more advanced, but I'm going to tell you guys the ins and outs, how to do it. I sell credit spreads, and I also do futures, and you guys can make money every day, and it has a high win ratio of over 90%. The results are there. You guys are going to love it, and this is how I do it, guys. It keeps trading very simple. It works. It's made me a full-time trader. I'm sure everyone can. If you put the education in, the time in, you put a little bit of money in this, just like if you go to a gym, put a little money in, you're going to go every day. And that's what I expect for a lot of my members. We have a big community coming in every day, participating, asking questions, and finding out, is this a good stock? Asking me, doing some research, going into the news, the analysis, reading articles, and combining it with this system of how to find basically support zones. And you can make big money doing it. This is my analysis. Next week, this is going to go up some. So we go up from 351 to 353. So the EMA 20 should be probably at 354 next week. It is Friday, so keep in mind, uptrend stocks, the EMA 20 goes up every week on a weekly time frame. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a massive like, subscribe, comment. If you love Tesla, let me know what you think in the comments. Is this a dip buy opportunity, or are we going to go lower? Hope to see you guys in the Discord. $12 a month if you subscribe. Do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And if you are from a different country, it might ask you, I'm from the US, so it might ask you a little more fees for currency, but it's pretty cheap how it is. All right, guys, and you're going to get the best of the best. If you ever need anything, I'm there to help you. Peace out, guys.